Hello kids, let's draw a bunny. First, we will starting to draw bunny face, its mouth, and this is bunny ear. Amazing, another ear. Let's draw bunny hand. So cute, another hand. Wow! Let's draw a carrot. Beautiful carrot. Now draw tummy and bunny feet. So easy. So amazing. Now we will highlighting the drawing. Beautiful. Let's coloring. Bunny ear. Yellow color. Color the face with yellow. So cute. Do you like bunny? I like bunny so much. It's so soft. Now we will coloring carrot with red color. So amazing. Do you like carrot? Now green color. Pink color. Let's draw bunny dress with blue color. Wow! So cute. I love this bunny. Let's draw his feet with orange. So cute. Bye-bye. Subscribe.